Good day, good day. It's Friday, June 27. So, actually, ang dami ko na nagawa today. Nakapag-gym na ako, nakuha ko na yung chairs and tables from yung supplier. Kasi walang chairs and tables sa yoga studio, by the way. So, if you don't know, meron akong painting event for Gawang Diwa today. It's the very first event na i-host namin. It's just a chill painting session with drinks and snacks. So, ito, wina-wash ko yung fruits. We have strawberries and grapes. So, we have fruits. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Nakalimutan ko actually. I was up since 7 a.m. So now, we're prepping. Naakit na din namin sa studio yung chairs and tables. Na-pick up ko siya mag-isa kaninang tanghali. So now, kailangan ko maligo and tapusin ang prep ng mga ito na makaalis na kami. Our event starts at 5 p.m. by the way. Oh, hello. I just showered and packed the stuff na kailangan dalhin. So, I'm ready to go. I just have to load yung gamit sa kotse. I'm so nervous and excited. Well, kasi it's kind of out of my comfort zone. So, good luck. Since it's Friday now. Oh, how about here? What makes you happy? Say hi. If you're happy this week. Daddy? How about your mommy? Pinag-isipan niyo yun. So yung kailangan kong gawin sa school, mga kids ko. Very productive. Thank you. Ate Mitch.
Hi, I'm Mitch. Nag-send sa akin this week. Yung kapatid ko graduate.
College?
College.
Congrats. Same. Pwede kami pusa. Okay. This is plastic-based taping siya. So, once na ilagay natin siya, hindi siya nabubulan ng eraser, ng paint sa damit. Kasi yung acrylic hindi na siya matatanggal eh. Sa floor ko. Sa floor, then sabi... Hello! May libre kaming helper. Tapos na yung event. Nakapag-pack up na kami. Gusto mo i-try yung lumalambitin? Gusto mo ba i-try? Success! Ano yan?